the PJ Riders. Yeah! Look at that! Yahoo! I can't believe every single PJ vehicle is out of action.
Yeah, all their cool parts stolen by those sneaky machine thieves.
Carly and Kartaka.
At least we have some wheels left. Our trusty old bike.
Yeah!
The wheels are gone.
Stolen by those sneaky machine thieves again.
No vehicles, no bikes, no hope.
What about our PJ Riders?
Ha! I almost forgot.
Those new animals are awesome.
Yeah, we'll chase down the terrible twosome and get our wheels back.
PJ Masks, we're on our way.
Into the night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette. Yeah!
Greg becomes becomes
Catboy! The PJ Masks!
Come on! Let's call up our PJ Riders. By the power of speed.
By the power of flight.
By the power of a lizard's might. Power Lizard!
Eagle Owl!
Catstripe King!
Yeah! Wait,
Huh?
safety first. PJ Masks, let's ride! Swoop and pick me up, girl! Whoa!
Come on, we need to get our vehicle parts back. Hey!
Come on, let me on.
Whoa!
Careful, big fella.
Our PJ Riders are acting like naughty pets.
Maybe we need to train them?
PJ Riders.
Hey guys, over here! Good. Now let's learn to follow a few rules. Ready?
Sit! Oh, this isn't working.
No vehicles, no riders, no hope.
Whoa! Are you seeing what I'm seeing, bro?
Of course. Ultimate power, ultimate speed.
I don't know why they're not listening to us.
Talk to them? Maybe we should really listen to them.
Look! Machine thief on the loose.
That whole flash car's made out of our PJ vehicles. PJ Riders, we need you! Wait for me, Catstripe King.
Well, luckily our riders are not that fast.
Owlette? Oh no! Easy, boy. Whoa!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Our vehicles were so much easier to control.
There! Full speed ahead, boy! Oh!
Fluttering feathers!
Ouch! time to retreat. Machine thieves, that way. If you won't obey, back to your, pajamas. Now we'll have to walk.
Hey, city kids! What took you so long? Oh, yeah, your feet.
We're here to take back our stuff, Carly.
Oh, yeah? You and who else? You're not so tough without your stinky critters. Eat my light speed! She's headed for HQ!
We better get back. PJ Masks, we're on our way.
On foot.
Maximum magnet power! Time to boost my car's battery life! Huh? Ace in the hole! Got ourselves a new battery!
That's no battery. That's PJ Robot.
You can take our PJ vehicle parts, but you can't take our friend. To my eyes, the situation appears different. Totally, bro. Zoom, zoom, zoom to Zoom-zania! They've taken him back to their world of speed.
So that's why the PJ Riders wanted to get back to HQ. They sensed PJ Robot was in trouble.
We should have listened to them.
They're more than a ride. They're friends, too.
Maybe they'll give us a second chance. PJ Riders, Catstripe King,
Eagle Owl!
Power Lizard! We're sorry we didn't listen.
and bust you around.
Just like you sensed, PJ Robot's in trouble. Friends, will you help us rescue him?
Together?
Yay! New threads?
Riding armor! So cool! PJ Masks and PJ Riders
to Zoom-zania! Follow us!
This is amazing!
7,000 Zoom Zooms of Ruble energy. Nothing can stop us. Let's make like a rocket and ba-boom!
Look out, Speed Twins! Lizard on your tail!
No chance, city critters. Go, sis, go!
You can't outrun a couple of cats.
Eat my light speed! Incoming owls! Bye-bye, birdies!
It's hopeless.
They're trying to tell us something.
They have a plan! PJ Riders, you take the lead!
It's time to be heroes.
Zoom, zoom, zoom! Tunnel critter! Super owl wing wings! We're stuck! Hey! Give me back our battery! Not a chance!
And we'll take back our PJ vehicle parts, too.
No way! See ya, PJs!
Come on, guys. Let's get out of here.
Plenty of time to chase down our vehicle parts another night. For now, we've got something even better.
PJ Riders, friends, and allies.
Even more awesome than the cat car.
Even more lovable than our trusty old bikes.
PJ Masks and PJ Riders all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
Race up Mystery Mountain. Come on. The Scroll of Mystery Mountain. It's right this way.
What's a scroll again?
An ancient piece of paper. The people at the museum only just discovered it in their vaults.
Legend says, on top of Mystery Mountain, there's a gold ring that gives whoever wears it the power of ultimate ninja ability.
Ninja what?
It means they become the most powerful ninja ever.
It's gone!
Look! Ropes! Night Ninja.
He wants to find the mountain and the ring. We gotta stop him. PJ Masks, we're on our way!
Into night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette! Yeah!
Greg becomes
Gekko! Yeah!
Connor becomes
Catboy! The PJ Masks!
We can't let Night Ninja get to Mystery Mountain. Any sign of him, PJ Robot?
There! Ninjalino's behind the museum.
He says he really wants to come along. He can decode the scroll.
Hey, that's not a bad idea. PJ Robot's coming along. To the PJ Rovers.
Promise me you'll stay out of trouble.
So, according to the ancient scroll, the mountain will appear if I open the portal, right? And the portal's supposed to be here, right?
Ow!
If you're so clever, you open it!
Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Wow! Thought you'd get to Mystery Mountain? In your dreams! Only this ninja's going to get the Ring of Ninja ability! See ya! Wouldn't want to be ya!
We need to get in there and get the ring first. If he puts it on, he'll be invincible.
Get in how? I don't know much about magic portals, but this one looks closed.
Yeah! Great job, PJ Robot. Glad you came along. Come on.
Easy peasy.
Plan B?
That was Plan B. Back to Plan A. Follow those ninjas! It's almost like mud is mixed with... Night Ninja's getting away. We'll have to leave the rovers. Let's go. Owl Eyes!
I can see the edge of the forest just ahead.
A shortcut? Well, if you're so sure, why don't you go first?
Who knows what kind of power Night Ninja will have if he gets to the ring first?
You bet I'll get the ring first. And when I do, I don't think you, PJ Pests, will be much of a match for me. Until then, splat them! Super Gekko Shield!
Is there another way around?
This place must be full of cool hidden passages.
You stay here and send them in the wrong direction. What? Don't give me that look. We'll come back for you. Probably.
Which way'd they go?
Straight up it is.
Catboy, wait!
Great Catboy's scales towards the summit. The ring of ninja ability will be his.
Did I hear you say you're gonna get the ring, Catboy? Well, think again.
Whoa! It's really sticky. Whoa!
Catboy, watch out!
Phew, thanks.
No problem.
I'm stuck.
Hang on! I'm coming!
PJ Robot, you're with me.
We'll be right behind you!
Open sesame! Fine, make yourself useful then.
Wow, it's incredible. The ring must be through those gates. We can't let him get to it first. Come on!
Out of my way! This needs a ninja battering ram!
This ends here, Night Ninja!
I stole that scroll fair and square! If the Ring of Ultimate Ninja Ability is in there, it's mine! Ninja, Papa! Cool! Very cool! If you're a master ninja, not a silly superhero.
If anyone is going to get the Ring of Ninja Ability, it's us! It belongs in the hands of a hero.
The ring is mine!
Super Cat, jump!
What?
The ring! It's gotta be in there!
Hey, I saw it first!
Uh-oh, that can't be good.
Dragon tongue splat! Help me!
What's going on? And where's Catboy?
We have to go in there.
I'm coming! But I'm so close. I gotcha!
Oh, great! Now what?
Just hold on. glad to see you guys. A little help?
Super Gekko muscles!
Come on!
So there was an easier way to get in. Huh? Why didn't you tell me? PJ Rust Bucket helped you? What? My ring!
Next time. Look out! Let's get out of here. Go, 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 go! I got you, PJ Robot! No, you don't. You're coming with us. Cat strikes!
You may have denied me the Ring of Ultimate Ninja Ability this time, but this isn't over, PJ Pests. Come on, Ninjalinos!
How cool was that? They said it was just a legend.
Who knows what else might be up there? Secret powers? Powerful secrets?
Well, I'm sure we'll be back soon if Night Ninja's got anything to do with it. PJ Masks, I'll shout hooray! Tonight we save the day! Me and you. Come on.
Yeah! I love this place.
Ha! Who does it?
In fact, I know the museum so well, I bet I can point out every exhibit with my eyes closed.
Okay, Hotshot, go for it.
And no peeking.
It's on. Okay, over here we have the rock exhibit. Not bad. Oh, and this is the Egyptian display.
Okay.
And this is one of my all-time favorites, the Dragon Gong. Yeah, I know. Pretty impressive, right?
Uh-oh.
What? What? What is it?
Hey, where's the Dragon Gong? Nobody knows. It vanished into thin air. Poof! Come on, nothing that big can just vanish.
Oh, I hope Night Ninja didn't take it.
There's only one way to know for sure. We better investigate.
I knew you were gonna say that.
PJ Masks, we're on our way. It's night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette.
Greg becomes Connor becomes
Catboy!
The PJ Masks.
Hey, PJ Robot. Any clues from the museum?
Wait, what's that? Uh-oh.
What's he doing?
Looks like he's taking the Dragon Gong to Mystery Mountain. But why?
Because he knows something we don't. What? To the PJ Rovers! Now let's get that gong back before Night Ninja does something
horrible. Oh.
What is it?
I don't know. Something's different.
Yeah, I feel it too.
And where's Night Ninja? He didn't have that much of a head start.
I see him! Almost there, Ninjalinos! Almost there! Oh boy, I like this.
Yeah, we can't let him summon the dragon from that gong again.
Come on, we've got to get to the summit, and fast!
What is going on?
You don't think Night Ninja's doing that, do you?
I don't know, but we can't wait around to see what happens next. Come on, we'll leave the rovers here.
Hey, did you hear something? Huh?
Super Cat jump! Spot geyser! Look out! We've got to get out of here!
Come with me!
That was close. Night Ninja almost had us.
I don't think Night Ninja did that.
Yeah, they just sort of sprung up.
Something strange is happening here.
It's like the mountain's in a bad mood or something. Nah, it's gotta be Night Ninja. What if bringing the Dragon Gong here is causing all this weird stuff to happen?
Either way, we've got to stop it before it stops us.
Look, the sky's clearing. Maybe we should skip the path and go straight to the summit.
Yeah, we'll never get there with all those booby traps.
I'm on it! Super Lizard Greg!
I don't know about this.
Don't worry, I've got your back.
Okay, guys, I can't hold this forever. Launching in 3, 2, 1.
Now flap your arms like a bird.
Hey, I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Okay, my turn.
Guys, wait up!
Now prepare for landing.
No sweat. Cats always land on their feet. Wait, cats don't fly? How do I land? Ah!
Don't worry. I gotcha. So, how'd you like flying?
I think I'll stick to running.
That was the most fun ever!
If you say so. Now, let's see what Night Ninja's up to. Aha! That must be the spot where the Dragon Gong once sat. Ho! Ah! Set it down right there, Ninjalinos. A little to the left. Now back to the right. There, perfect. Now to unleash the dragon from the gong.
No sign of the dragon.
Yeah, and the mallet looks like it's clenched in the dragon's claws. I don't think the dragon's unleashed.
Then what made the boulders move and the sticky spots shoot out of the ground?
I don't want to know. Let's just get the gong back and get out of here.
Now if only this stubborn gong would hand over the mallet.
Of course you have to read the secret inscription on the mallet. I knew that. Tell you what, Teeny Weeny, why don't you do the honors? Finally, now I can make the dragon open the pagoda and steal the secrets of Mystery Mountain. Yes, Teeny, and become the most powerful ninja that ever lived.
What time is it, Ninjalinos?
It's dragon time! Not so fast, Night Ninja!
What?
Huh, you're too late, PJ Slowpokes!
We can't let him strike that gong.
I got this.
That's right! Sorry, Teeny. The PJs made me do it. I got you, little guy. Now then, I believe you remember my friend, the dragon. Uh-oh.
Maybe the dragon will remember us.
What is thy wish, master?
Music to my ears.
I don't think he remembers us.
Dragon, it's us, the PJ Masks. We helped you before.
Silly PJs. The dragon obeys whoever holds the mallet, which is me. Now prepare to be blown away. Okay, dragon. Let him have a little dragon breath. Oh, not again.
I'm sorry, I must obey. Once more.
Bye-bye, silly PJs. That was fun, dragon. Huh? Dragon? Dragon, where are you? Hello? Hello? Oh, would you look at that? My dragon already opened the pagoda. Yes! What a day! The PJs are gone. I have my own dragon. And soon, the secrets of the pagoda will be mine. What? Ah! Huh?
I believe that belongs to me.